Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Thomson 253 Hotel, engine failure. We are continuing with northwesterly and then inbound towards Wallasey.
Thomson 263 Hotel, roger. All runways available for landing, surface wind 070 degrees at 5 knots.
Manchester, Mayday 263 Hotel.
Mayday 263 Hotel, all runways available. Advise me if you wish vectors or continue visually for 06 left or right. Surface wind 060 degrees at 5.
That's all understood, sir. What we are doing is heading in a northwesterly direction. We'd like to establish on the inbound radial 084 towards Wallasey, climb to 3,500 feet, and then we will advise you of our intentions.
Thomson 263 Hotel, roger. You may do that 3,500 feet, 084 radial towards Wallasey, and keep me advised if you wish further climb.
We'll do Mayday Thomson 263 Hotel.
And Thomson 263 Hotel, runway 09 at Liverpool is also available should you so wish. Keep me advised.
Hey, from Thomson 263 Hotel.
Mayday Thomson 263 Hotel, further information for you.
Go ahead, sir.
Okay, it looks like it may have been a burst strike. There's bird debris on the runway as well.
That concurs with what we saw out the window and the reaction we had from the engine.
Thomson 263 Hotel, roger. And Liverpool Airport is still available to you. The landing distance available there is 2225 metres, and I have all the ILS frequencies, etc. when you need it, if you need it.
Understood, sir. Just to reiterate, we would like to return to 06 right at Manchester.
Roger.
Tower Mayday 263 Hotel, established on the glide 06 right.
Mayday 263 Hotel, hello to you. You are clear to land, runway 06 right. The surface wind is calm.
Clear to land 06 right, Thomson 263 Hotel.
35 Yankee 1 into runway 06 right.
Top Street, Yankee 1 into 6 right.
Tower Man 53, he's entering 06 right.
Man 53, yes you can enter runway 06 right now.
Check.
Man 51 entering 06 right for the third flight station.
Thomson 263 Hotel, vacating runway.
1200. Thomson 263 Hotel, roger. Left turn there and then you can stop wherever you wish and the fire vehicles will approach your aircraft.
Thomson 263 Hotel. Uh, 263 Hotel, just to confirm, sir, the left engine will still be running.
I'll just confirm you, dear Rose, the left engine is still running, will be still running.
Nathan.
Thomson 263 Hotel, just confirm you got your brakes on.
Hey, from Thomson 263 Hotel. Delta 263 Hotel, thanks very much for your help. Just to advise, will you be following us to stand, sir?
That's affirmative, we'll follow you to stand, over.
Thank you very much indeed. There'll be delayed just a couple of minutes before we can start to roll again.
Roger.
And from Mayday Thomson 263 Hotel.
Thomson 263 Hotel, pass message.
Yeah, just to advise, we're still relatively heavy on this one engine. When we do get clearance to cross the 06 left, we will of course be requesting a non-stop taxi back to the stand, wherever that might be.
Okay, I'll prime the guys for that.
Just let me look at the works in progress. We'll try our best to get around and just see how it goes on the one engine, but there's some fairly tight turns there, just to advise.
Okay, no problem at all. We have got a tug standing by, so if you want to cross and then stop and we'll get a tug onto you and tow you around, that's fine by us.
I think what we're happy to do with the conditions is try it on this engine. If there are any problems at all, of course, we'll stop and get the tug.